medin kan at the mediamano. Say, na uko tu setikasi we adia. Enough from.
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Brangan and Sam TV GH so wafre me Adjoa searching. Ebusiafo Kwabena Marfo a journalist Odini Juma despite me their Peace FM. Okase journal Kwabena Marfo a journalist na Amanfo se me friend journalist because on this is our friend but ni nemono or a journalist intisani be referring to us. Na Kwabena Marfo say NDC for ede apato mu yeden ema His Excellency Nana Akuffo Addo na ede ntina Kwabena Marfo kase Kwabena Marfo say eye galamsey ne fight no NDC for ebeje akonwa no yendu bebia ba kamya koye say omo efeli ese Nana Addo ne 8 years no na ebusafo Kwabena Marfo obi a Abra Nana Addo His Excellency former president Ghana man penino osi ni konso papa wa galamsey ni kum and me personally me follow omo peace efe omo news ni ntimi ni akobia osi Nana Addo ni konso papa banya asem ketwa I got to a point Kwabena Marfo ebeka say NPP for and omo galamsey no na yen we say major campaign back when this for galamsey no na NDC for ba abemi galamsey na jinsem Joseph Yamin Ukraine Yabeka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and dissolve force tax na force friend say tax no more artite say omo enhwe galamsey site no ongu no se ne be ya omo me galamsey ne betimi ayo omo adwa because anything na galamsey yes no eto abama NDC that is the campaign omo they call outside galamsey the agency me kwa na Kwabena Marfo NDC for ego mweni mas papa because the omuye ina na nkomo ni se nkomo ba ya galamsey the 1 week to betwa nenso amanisa samanisa dia omo fa apacho emma Nana Addo because omo aye ne bone yenti ese ne nsem no esi ekoy
Esese NDC aban we ako omo de chawpa edema MPP aban a etemu koye.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Esese NDC aban we ode chawpa edema MPP aban a etemu koye no se said the na ye hunu no enya sa na netie.
Okay.
Entitam wa omu ha Nana Addo say on declare state of emergency. On declare state of emergency. Omu de strategies ya hudu we wiase nyina ba ye no. Majari sa wo mu betena aso no. Strategies na we.
Ayira.
Ona mu Emmanuel Amakofibu a. Oh, nensaya tight. On to me nya ho Majari even say yakase ye bet to me say 100% awon. Yakase ye bet to me akon a fight 20% kurampa awon. The money involved we can't. Amakofibu on to me nya ho se nipa ba akopɛ. NDC aban we Majari opa yama wonum 8 years ebe kwaso aginsem
Gala no
yes et say Majari yatra mfofo ho anada ne yakwaye brentuo ti say ye ne afenyo marking ada na okan o parliament ye taa no o se yamfa petty partisan politics ne ntonchen na yenka ne se omayasem. I agree with him. Ako menene ya agene because issue na eda ho no galamsey asem no eso chen omay ni nyina se ye ka se ye beko e de etia one political party you can't nipa ba akofo untumi ati se omay mu ni nyina ka ye hu bom na nanum ayemfo assembly members ye nyina ye ka ye hu bom baako ne ye ka se ye fight e de etia galamsey na bom se ye ka se political party NDC tissue, Majari, see a kwa 1 year. Ye kwa afe baako. What do chain? Afena esa bejinsem, they can't. Omun to me. Oh, Master Dami woman to me. I know the another political talk. Yes. Time womu ya campaign no, now your political talk.
Okay.
Now omu nim the reality on the ground. I me kabi. Me also me kabi.
Na so crowd the old the chow palm and another that.
Me di amano dada. Me di nkai at the me di amano. Say na ukotu setikasi a we agye enough from. But I can't remember say NDC for ya me ni asame jamfi. Na mo visit site Joseph Yami.
O man visit site ko am ko press conference.
Press.
Hey, yes, o mo visit site there o ma go. Wo mo said that could be a press conference.
So no to me tenet in your mind chimichimo or mind sa Emma bua bit is a Kevin Taylor bet you for Ghana for so called say be free of charge, Now only the new the end Becca. Young fair non cotton chain. Second blue. Yamfa Abranti be your friend and Raf Emra. A face when answer funty. Me abeti. Ebre biya na me ye me live here bi abrantie you su Saint Ralph Williams ewo Facebook eba me live feed so abrantie na ba ye ne nsem a all kan ni na ye tro adentia na afei na me free Ghana ada enti na me ne the board of apiate wo mo yesi apiate no na we've already done something about it udi anu si wa emra na e govern ye mind ne sa na man explosion ni ade no aban we buy no we be changing me sika na esese nya no sa $10,000 no afi ya ye no $1 million enu nti ye wie ye no na company na boka over $6 million something otherwise na nka ye nya den na nka ye nya me no muti something otherwise no na nka ye nya enu nkoda nchen mi ankasa so me na me political zone fo ye wa he ya gigi iska say ye de kobua eye apiatefo no check no eye ye nipa baako a oka ye ho wa ha say eja ken no wenti no ma ha biu enye hwe sister Brefi ekogina ya nemu na ye nim say na they were building they were building the apiate city no ye building foforo abrantie begina me live no so didi na na do ba wo mi atem say ye enye hwe wo ho Awumua na mete ne yesi free bibi saying fix the country say freedom fighters who said they on Oliver Baker Bemo wonu mu said they ewo na me say munya botre na abrantie ase demonstration bia wodi mede na wogie intimi kura na menini di agro say ya dan we demonstration contractor na afei sa ye nkwohwa sa wo ye NDC ni o NDC ni a Oliver Baker Vemewo training no na mama me mama a few secret about many Ralph encounter more am follow political zone dem nim say asem am making enye new to you ya can one asem so many times me nim say me Facebook ni me YouTube no they are on it right now I almost try to capture but stay on and let us get it going why means true ebeba back to normal now abrantie we your friend of Ralph Sainty. And then I will be your home say be what is the purpose in it for him? And I'm who saw ne Oliver Becker with my vonum, Bema woos a one way, and then now. If I'm so sad, dear boy, my channel. Now, I said, mean to me, like I don't know how to show you the messages, but I can come and talk back and forth. I'm in a kwasia we are your friend Rafi aye. Na okoya na wakote chire umpe Ghana ye and you people don't want Ghana to grow. You people don't want Ghana to progress. And a Ghana a brochure and say I'm like This guy is someone who can deny you are contradicting yourself. So I wonder one no thinking said this boy was working for them. I tried to raise the alarm. Fast forward. I feel Obehu said I'm very vocal. Obehu said I feel me bomupa. And Tomo yes sadia. Omo be trap me. Ntianke bia. Omo be shada kabibi about the cathedral. No maka say. Now I ain't too far. Tabi and Kolendi di now then we cathedral we into Asha Felix here. In this time can be say, oh, okay, unim cathedral ni modi and Kbia you bet me okay so now come chat no they tried it several times. Onyankopon so who say every time only Oliver Baker tries Adi ni biano. Now I was 10 times ahead of them. So I always end up insulting them back. Me say I say mean to me be me. Can be na money na mo. I don't know why my computer is messing up. I should do ana. Maybe I should do. Yeah. Could be seller. Jandam is only done on Kevin Taylor's page. He's the only one that can show you an envelope that the EC chair has left Ghana, only to find out that he has not left Ghana. He's the only one that can tell you that there's July 35 in the calendar of the world. That is Jandam. Jandam is the one that will come and tell you that Mahama must be stupid for him to think that I'm working for him. And the next day, when you get your money, you wear that vote for Mahama or die. You are stupid. Next time you come on my platform, come with the correct sense. I keep telling you shallow-minded people that when you come on this platform, don't come and fool yourself. Jandam is when a whole party is afraid and is being controlled by some stupid guy who claims he has something and still has nothing to prove. That is Jandam. So if you want to know where they are doing Jandam, go to Kevin Taylor's page. That is where it is done. What I'm speaking here is fact, things that has happened, things that are going on. No, to the need to see judiciary constitution the bomb by. It did dear judge for what can somewhere in the two ones. So I'm running a Juma Mani Dino. Sanka Branty will face him. John Mahama ne NDC fu anyansa ye dibu man ebi ni wo mutirimu na wo de wo mwafu ni jimie kakra wo be jimi wa around nko ane ade a wo pe no wo bombo den ma abrantie we ba Ghana akoda sebe na nanoma tena nkonwa etwa nwan aye incantations aburu nuya de agu ni ti so yes yakoje ne se ye chief justice no wo no cause ono owo ho asade we ompene enti yenyi no yamfa ye nipa mra mo kan se na me bo video bi wa ha NDC communicator bi ka se ne bu afu aye ne ya bomode yi woman ye temu na afri ho esa nka modin krofo ba na ye ne fast no mo ma ye ne fast na mu gina na de bia we press conference samo ka ya NDC communicator me ka sa ma me papa ye the yensa your constitution no because of obia where did the Ghana phone in na tem na ye twadwan de agu ni tiri so say musuo endane no me endi sa akoda we achi yes in the campaign ni ye adwuma ema NDC fo pie koto aba at the government buy into your mom fa ho eni de besie ye de ne beba ama na bebu mra no so Obia court ebuano fo we ni enye say o suspect o there be ye buano for that na aban bi afa no a shield ne say ye ne yaba oboa ye ne ye ba ye enti ye you e de wafri NDC ni awo de wo se waton wadwene ama agbalimenti wo de America no wonte ase wo pa akowia blajo deka kowia blajo deka obekwa akodem wo ye NDC chairman ya de ubetum but wo e pa ne campaign a wo ye campaign ankasa yɛtumi akɔfa obi saa aba abɛma no saa adeɛ wei ɛwɔ bere a wo uwia branche banche betem baako kora yɛde wobɛtum